Hello everyone, how you guys doing? My name is Belinder and you're welcome to Belinder TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I do my rice water treatment. This is a different method I'm going to be using this time. So I already put my hair in a mini braid like this one. So I have my rice water in my container. The rice is inside the bottle and then I pour the water double the amount of the rice. So it's been fermenting for 24 hours, more than 24 hours, because I fermented it yesterday and this is a different day. So I'm just going to give it a good shake, like I'm doing shaky. So I'm just going to shake it very well. So now the rice water is more, I don't know, all the nutrients and everything is now together. So now I'm just going to damn, it smells really bad, yeah, but don't worry about the smell because it goes away when you wash your hair off. It goes away. Even if you don't wash your hair off, the air, once it dries, the smell goes away. So I'm carefully pouring it into my spray bottle. If you don't want to be so careful, you can just use a sieve. And so when I finish pouring it into my spray bottle like this, and yeah guys, if you don't have a spray bottle close to you, you can just use, do you know that foam that is always in your makeup powder? You can use that foam to soak in the rice water and just use it to rub on your scalp like that. But I prefer to use the spray bottle the spray I prefer to use the spray bottle because it's a lot more easier for me to work with. So now I'm just concentrating on my scalp, soaking in. Hey, me and this English today, please excuse me. I'm concentrating on my scalp, soaking my scalp with the rice water. And guys, I have high porosity hair type, so my hair easily soaks in this rice water. So I'm just making sure that all my scalp is covered with the rice water first. So when all my scalp is covered with the rice water, when I'm sure it's covered with the rice water, I go on with the rest of my hair. From the root of my hair to the tip of the hair, I spray the rice water generously on it and just rub it in also. Like I said previously, my hair is high porosity, so it's very easy for my hair to like soak in this rice water without it like pouring down on my shoulder. As you can see, my hair is really holding in the water. So after this, I'm going on to like massage my scalp, give it a very good massage, and I'll bend my hair to the front like I've done. This is going to help the blood flow to the scalp, and it's going to enhance, like it's going to stimulate the scalp to help the hair to grow. So this is all I do guys for my rice water hair treatment. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Consider clicking on the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, the remaining rice water, I just turn it into the container where the rice was previously fermented in, and I'll lock it away in a cupboard somewhere because tomorrow I'm going to reuse it. I'm going to be doing this for 7 days straight, and I'll measure my hair to let you guys see the result. So like I said, thank you for watching this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.